is this is obviously our back area. The food, we keep, majority of it is here. So if somebody comes, we generally ask them what they want or what they need. £20, you know, it might be a bottle of wine for somebody, but you know, you can get a lot with £20 food-wise. Gas, electric. Of course, then the electrics and the gas prices go sky high. Petrol goes sky high, so the food then is more expensive. So losing that £20 a week has made a tremendous difference, because that's the difference between having gas and electric and not having gas and electric, basically. This wouldn't be here without the local Labour government, the Labour councillors. And in fact, they used to be here every day. And as I said, they're continually supporting us financially as well. So it's all thanks to the Labour councillors that this is here.
Every day during this pandemic, people across Wales have stepped up and stepped in to help one another. You have helped family and neighbours, and you volunteered to help others who needed that bit of extra support. Over the last 2 years, your efforts have been backed by the work of Welsh Labour Councillors. Across Wales, dedicated Labour councillors work every day to make sure important local services are there and work for you. Some have had to do this from opposition, but we can always do so much more where Labour runs the council. Those councils that are responsible for the everyday services, which make such a big difference to our lives. Labour-run councils make sure that our children receive the best possible education, older people are cared for, and our bins get collected. They also help ensure Wales keeps its title as a world-leading recycling nation. And with the Tory cost of living crisis about to set in, these services would be more important than ever before. Last May, you put your trust in a Labour cabinet and my Welsh Labour colleagues in the Senedd. This May, you will have the opportunity to vote again for the people who will run your local council and look after all those important services. If you trusted Welsh Labour with your vote last year, please vote for your Welsh Labour candidates in May. And together, let's build that stronger, greener and fairer Wales.